A former Shawnee police officer was arrested on drug complaints. The arrest happened last week, and tonight we're learning this was an undercover operation and the investigation is still underway. News 9's Cameron Joyner has the details.
Former Shawnee police officer Gary Moore was arrested at this bar, where he was caught allegedly selling drugs. The undersheriff says this was during a weeks-long undercover operation. Late last week, a now former Shawnee police officer arrested on a drug complaint.
We got some information. We started an investigation into Gary Moore.
That investigation, an operation beginning weeks ago, according to Pottawatomie County Undersheriff Travis Dinwiddie.
We had been conducting this investigation for several weeks. It led us to doing some undercover work.
Dinwiddie says Moore was arrested for possession and intent to distribute cocaine. Moore's wife was arrested with him on the same complaint. As far as what tipped off law enforcement to Moore's criminal activity,
really can't speak on that right now. Like I say, we're still investigating it. It'll be continued for a bit.
The Shawnee Police Department released a statement saying in part Moore has been terminated from his employment with the department. Shawnee PD pointed to the Pottawatomie County Sheriff's Office for comment on the investigation.
We had our DA's task force office working, helping us, and also from Cleveland County Sheriff's Office, they lended us a hand and helped out.
Dinwiddie says this is something they take seriously.
It only takes one bad seed to shed a lot of negative light on all of us in law enforcement.
Shawnee PD echoing his sentiments, saying in its statement they require officers to abide by a high ethical and moral standard. As Sheriff Dinwiddie said, this investigation is still ongoing. Stay with News 9 for updates as new details come to light. In Shawnee, Cameron Joyner, Oklahoma's Own, News 9.